Good morning. Okay, ma, good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed in the exercise 7.1, 1 to 3 questions. Write fourth question now. Write a fourth question. See the fourth question. The rule for purchase of books is that the cost of few books is rupees 25 Q. Then find the price of one book. Here, what is the rule? You have to find the one book cost. Okay. Rule for purchase of books is that the cost of few books is 25 Q. Here, the rule given you have to find the cost of one book. Given rule for purchase of rule for cost of few books. Cost of few books equal to how much? Rupees 25 Q. Now what you have to find? You have to find the cost of one book. Cost of one book equal to what is the formula? Rupees 25 Q divided by cost of Q books how much? 25 Q. So 25 Q by Q. So 25 Q by Q. How much? Q will be cancelled. What is the answer? Rupees 25. So cost of one book how much? 25 rupees. Okay. Right. Harshini says that she has 5 biscuits more than Padma has. How can you express the relationship using the variable y? So Harshini says that she has 5 biscuits more than Padma has. So you have to write the expression with using the variable y. Okay. How to write? Given that Harshini has 5 biscuits more than Padma has. So given that Harshini has 5 biscuits more than Padma has. So how many are there Padma has? Let Padma has equal to here taking the variable y now. So Padma has y biscuits. Okay. Now by the problem. What is the problem? Harshini has 5 biscuits more than Padma has. That means Padma has y biscuits. Now Harshini has 5 biscuits more than means y plus y plus. Okay. So therefore Harshini has y plus 5 biscuits. Okay. This is the answer. Right. So write the expressions for the following statements. So what is called as expressions? Expression means is nothing but you have to use arithmetic operations. What are arithmetic operations, different? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the arithmetic operations. So we have to use the arithmetic operations between the variables that is called expression. Okay, ma'am. So what we have to write here? Write the expressions for the following statements. What is the first question? 5 is added to 3 times z. 5 is added to 3 times z. You have to write in expression how to write 5 added to 3 times z. That means 3 times z. That means 3z. 3 times z means 3z and added 5. 5 is added to 3 times z. That means 3z plus 5. Okay. Right. 5 is added to 3 times z. 3z plus 5. Next second one is 9 times n is added to 10. 9 times n. 9 times n is added to 10. Yes, answers only. So 10 plus 9 n. 9 times n. Third one is 16 is subtracted from 2 times y. So 16 is subtracted from 2 times y. That means 2y minus 16. Subtracted from 2 times y. Fourth one is y is multiplied by 10 and then x is added to the product. So y is multiplied by 10. That means 10y. And then x is added to the product. X is added this product. That is x. 10y plus x. Okay. Common right. See the second question. Peter has P number of balls. Number of balls with David is 3 times the balls with Peter. Write this as an expression. So here what is given? Peter has P number of balls and number of balls with David is 3 times the balls with Peter. You have to write as an expression. Given number of balls with Peter is equal to how many? P. Number of balls with Peter is equal to P. And then the number of balls with David. So number of balls with Peter is equal to P. Then the number of balls with David. How many? Given here 3 times the balls with Peter. 3 times the balls with Peter. That means 3 times Peter. That is 3 into P. 3P. Okay? Right. See the third question. Sita has 3 more notebooks than Geeta. Find the number of books that Geeta has. Use any letter for the number of books that Geeta has. So Sita has 3 more notebooks than Geeta. Okay. You have to find the number of books which Sita has. So you have to use any letter for the number of books that Geeta has. Okay. Given Sita has 3 more notebooks than Geeta. So what is given here? Sita has 3 more notebooks than Geeta. So we don't know Geeta. Next, number of books Geeta has. So let the number of books Geeta has. You have to take any letter. I am taking G. Okay. Geeta no, that's why I am taking G. Okay. Then Then the number of books Sita has. Then the number of books which Sita has. How many has Sita has? Three more books than Geeta. Three more books than Geeta. Geeta has how many books? G plus 3. Three more books. G plus 3. Okay, ma'am. Right. See the fourth question. Cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in each row. What is the rule for the number of cadets for a given number of rows? Use n for the number of rows. Here what is given? Cadets are marching in a parade. In each row, how many cadets are there? 5 cadets. Okay. So you have to write the rule for number of cadets for a given number of rows. Right. Given 5 cadets in each row. Given 5 cadets in each row. Let the number of rows is equal to n. Okay. Then the rule for number of cadets for a given number of rows. For a given number of rows is equal to, so how many rows? N. For each row, how many cadets are there? 5. So what is the rule? 5 n. 5n. Okay? Right. Today homework is see page number 105. Table is given now. You have to write in verbal form. So first one already given. Y plus 3 expression given. What is the verbal form? 3 more than y. 3 is more than y. Like that you have to write in the verbal form. Okay. This is the homework for you. Send it to my WhatsApp number.